plays a very important role in that. And how should an essential resume be, and how will it attract or take the attention of the interviewers? How can we be selected by the VC?
Okay. Do you agree that's the right question? You had same kind of question in your mind? Why did you ask? You got the chocolate. Okay, I'll come back to you, to your question. Give her a chocolate. Okay, guys. As they said, it's a soft skill. Instead of saying about soft skill, I'm telling about all experiences, what the thing you'll have to do in your life. Do you guys agree? Are you with me? Guys, everyone. Whoever are not with me, they can walk out if they don't like. Open offer for you guys. I don't want you to sit forcefully. No worries. Thank God everyone are here. No one stood up. Okay. I hope I'm not killing your time. Okay, she asked me a question, how effective resume should be. I do not have a particular, format kind of thing for your resume. What you can do is just prepare a resume now itself. Just think that you are going to face an interview. Just prepare a resume however you can. Just Google the same thing. What the question you had, Google it. You will get so many resumes. Don't refer any single resume. Go through it. And I'm going to give you some handouts here. I have a handout and I have my email ID over there. I could share my resume or my resumes of my friends. You can refer yourself to the resume and you can select the best one. And no resume could be said it's a best. It's all about what all the things you have out there, right? I have gone across so many resumes. As I mentioned, many of my friends were asking me to refer to my company. Almost, I have a folder in my lappy with all the resumes. Almost 50-60 resumes. I have all different resumes, and I'll keep uploading it to my HR, and they will come here, face the interview, and again sometimes people will get selected, sometimes they will get rejected, and again after once you get rejected from my company, after facing an interview, you have to come after 3 months. Again 3 months you cannot give an interview over there. 3 months or 6 months, I'm not sure. And there are many companies which have same rule. When you start giving an interview, you may go to one company A, which may reject you, or if you are fortunate enough, if you are capable enough, you will get it, or you may get rejected. You'll go to second company. Same thing happens. When you're done with all the companies, I'm very sure you will feel yourself very down, and you'll start again cursing your fate, right? I'm not degrading or trying to demoralize you guys, but I'm giving live examples wherein people have suffered. Please don't suffer like that. Start working on everything, whatever, not just soft skills. How we'll have to behave in the society. Just start. When you compare yourself with any other students, like engineering students or any commerce, arts, or any other technical students, you are kind of big professionals, right? Right? Because we are focusing, and we want ourselves to be, in a certain stage wherein we do business. Business is nothing but, wherein you mingle with others. So we'll have to get prepared, not just educationally, just your degree or MBA, but also with soft skills. That is what soft skills is. And again, when I said soft skill, it's not just how do you behave while attending an interview. And again, it also includes, okay, you have got a job, I have got selected, and I'm in office now, and my process is going to start. Again, soft skill matters. Hard skill, what is soft skill? First I'll tell you, hard skill is like, I'm very good in front of system, I do typing very fast, I work very hard, I'm very, physic, I can do hard work. Everything is hard skill, wherever you put your effort. But soft skills, it's not just, wherein you indulge yourself physically, but also mentally. It includes, of course, it includes body language, the communication skills, portray yourself in the crowd? How do you manage to keep eye contact with the people when you go for an interview. And also, I have few tips. So there in the handouts, Kiran sir is gonna distribute you all those. If you think it's worthy, just go through it and safeguard it somewhere. And when you're done with your BCom, if you want to prepare from no itself, start working on it. Or else, if you think that I have so much of time,
From upside.
keep it safe somewhere. Open it after you finish degree. And if you have so much of time, and if you think my degree is not enough, I want to do some further education, go for it. I'm not saying you might be having a question in your mind, is degrees enough to get a job wherein I'm working, I'm in a company as like in any MNC, or do I need to do an MBA? Do you have that question in you? Yes, of course. Yes, there are people in my team, in my company, even in other companies who are just done with their BCom and BBM. It's not just you'll have to get your MBA or your any CA or any post-graduation in that case. So don't focus. See, when you have all the capability to get a job, just after finishing your BCom, why you have to wait until you finish your MBA? Okay, I have so much of time, I have money, I have great aspiration, I need a graduation again, plus graduation, do MBA. It's not it's not a wrong choice. Do it. But also after finishing your BCom, not all of us can do MBA, right? Yeah. For those, prepare yourself. I'll try to speak with my HR team, and also I can just contact with some consultancies, and where I can get in some campus recruitment drives, wherein you can have yourself exposed to certain situation. And if you are in final year degree, start giving interviews. Just walk in, not with the intention of getting a job, but having an experience. Right? Just fail. Just go for the sake of getting failed in the interview. So that you'll have that experience. As I said, we'll get experience and we'll learn it. Right? Okay, any questions? No, as of now. Yes.
Every country has its own culture, and every country differs with some of the communication ways, behavioral ways. How does it affect in interviewing or recruitment process?
Okay, that's the right question. Okay, what happens is, if you go for an MNC for the interview, you may not expect same Indian or any person, he'll get the chocolate. Forgot that. Okay, you cannot expect the same person from any India or from India to recruit you. As I said, MNC is a multinational company, and people, the interviewer might be from other company, from other countries. So how does it matter? Guys, are you with me, everyone?
Yes.
If it is so boring, I'm gonna finish it by 1:30. It's 1:10 now. Another 20 minutes, and we'll keep it for another 10 minutes for your question and answer if you have. That's why I'm just giving you an option of asking questions. Okay, how does it matter? Of course, if I'm speaking, I'm an Indian and you can clearly understand my English. But definitely I'll bet you, when I entered into that company, I had to call up the person who lives in Chicago. And just my real leader, he just came and gave me the phone, and he just said, you had to speak with him and get your system ready. Because when I tried to log in, the system was not working. He just dialed that number and gave it to me. I could never understand a single word whatever this person was speaking from other end. And I don't know how I responded, and I got fixed my system, but I could do it then. Same thing happens. When you go for interview, do not have, again, do not have the same inferiority complexion in you, but try to give your best. I'm confident that I'm going to do it. That matters. As I said, when you enter only, and other country people, they are so clever, just by seeing you, just by your postures, gestures, and I'll tell you, those people are not going to judge people by their look. No one will judge people by look. And even you should not judge people by look. Just judge by their knowledge. You can judge them. You might be judging me by just looking at me by my look. No, it's what all matters is what the knowledge he has, right? So if you are very good, no matter whichever country he is from, the interviewer, you're gonna do that. Okay, just prepare yourself. What else I can say? You know, that's what many examples, live examples I had. Start working on on your weaknesses. As I was saying, do a SWOT analysis. Find out your strengths, find out your weaknesses, what are the threats you have, and what are the opportunities. Opportunities are affluent. There is so much of opportunity in this market. And again, I will tell you the same example of my own. Any questions, guys? Am I boring you guys? I could make it out. No, sir. Question also.
Sir, how to overcome a stage fear, sir?
Stage fear.
When I'll be alone, I'll be speaking to myself.
Come here. Just observe her. Everyone observe her. I said on stage, not on dais. Come here. Yes, the crowd. Look at everyone. Yeah, kind of nervousness. Try to speak something. Make some mistake. Make mistake.
I've done the mistakes, sir. Before the event was conducted, I was not capable to see. When I will be alone, I'll be speaking to myself. I'll be perfect in that.
Yes.
When I comes to stage, I won't be able. I'll be shivering over here. I won't be completely speaking.
Is she shivering? You're not. And you're looking at everyone and you're speaking spontaneously. And you're saying, I'm very nervous, I do many mistakes.
Please, sir, I'm speaking the truth.
That's
So
because
now-
of your inferiority. You're thinking that your weaknesses are coming out, but your opportunities and your strengths are submerging. Come out of it. Guys, again.
When you look at the people, I'll be confused. Oh, everything is gone over. I won't be able to say anything now. I'll be just feel completely.
You'll have to come out of it. Guys. Okay, guys. I think we are going out of control now. Okay. Me, myself, I'm standing in the river corner, bank of the river. There's water. And I'm saying myself, I have to learn the swimming. Can I learn standing here? I'll have to jump into water, right? When I jump into water, then only I can learn the swimming. She's sitting there and she's saying, I have stage fear. I can't go stand out there and speak. She came on stage now. She spoke. Do you have the same fear what you had when you were sitting over there?
Because you're here, I'm.
Okay,
little
go.
bit I'm speaking the truth, sir.
Okay, the truth. No? Now you might be thinking, okay, now it's been almost 1 hour I'm here, so she got confident, so she felt friendliness with me, so she came, stood here. Tomorrow, after 1 hour, I'm not gonna be there. She's gonna, have the same situation. Come out of it. When people are not there, come and stand on the stage, speak. Take your friends, make them sit, speak. Fall. You fall. When you fall, you can get up. Right? When you come here, then only you can learn. Even I did not learn everything. Coming on stage, speaking, addressing people. I did not learn it. When again, what you guys will have to do is, I think I'm boring you guys. Guys, am I boring you?
No.
If yes, say yes. I'm not going to be there after 20 minutes. So that's why I'm not kind of any higher authority who has come here to share my experience or boost myself. I'm just your friend. Just post me any questions. I'm going to answer for that if I can. Or else if you know more than me, just let me know. Even I will learn from you. Right? Again, no response.
Yes,
Thank you for that.
thank you, sir.
And you're gonna get a chocolate for coming here.
Thank you so much.
Collect it from there. Guys, okay. If you don't have any questions now, and if you want to ask it personally or if you want to post it, as I said, I am going to give a handout over here. I have my email ID mentioned over there and also my phone number. Just call me up for any doubts. If you are sitting in an interview and you don't know how to react in certain situations, call me up. I'll tell you how to be there. Okay? And also for any suggestions, and if you have any suggestions for me, wherein I can improve myself, please post it to me. Is that okay? Again, you know what? You guys are treating me as your lecturer or some higher. Please treat me as your friend. That's great. I heard it. No worries. That's what I was expecting.
I have one question. Non-chocolatey question. So, what's your view about the positive attitude? How important it is for the students?
Positive attitude. Guys, what do you say about positive attitude? Be formal. Okay, I'll tell you. Just be as you are. Isn't it right? Isn't it true?
Yes, sir.
You know, when I'm Shiv Prakash, why should I start pretending like Kiran? Because I'm Shiv Prakash and he is Kiran and he cannot pretend and mock me. Right? But I can learn from him. I can learn his body language. I can learn his way of speaking, his skills. I can learn it, but I am not supposed to pretend as Kiran. When I start pretending, okay, I like Rajkumar, if I take for example, or like I like Upendra, I can, he's so creative, I just want to be, so creative like him, but I cannot pretend like him. If I start, making myself my body, or if I make these steps and all, you guys will laugh at me. Hey, you are Upendra Martidano. I don't want that. I want Shiv Prakash to be recognized as myself, but I have learned from him. That's what right, that's what the positive attitude. You have to be positive. Okay. Today morning I'm getting up. Hey, it's Monday. Who is going? I'm not in mood to go to office. I'm not in mood to go to college. And first hour it's accounting again. I don't want to see that lecturer's face. I don't want to see him. Definitely you think that is not being positive. Just make yourself with a single sentence in yourself saying, "Let me learn something at least a bit in today's session." Right? That is what positive attitude. It's not someone says you do like this, and it's not someone pushes you to do something. It's all about you making yourself, you telling yourself inside your mind. Right? Do you agree me?
Yes.
I don't know how many have been slept off. Hello, awake? Yes. I know. I'm sure I'm boring you guys. No reaction at all from that time. Okay, I'll sing a song then. No, I'm just a bathroom singer and this is a podium. Thank God you guys are awake. I think I'm done with that. I'm not sure that I covered anything regarding soft skill, but I just wanted to give you live examples. Let me have another opportunity. If the time permits, principal sir and Kiran, if they give me another chance, I'll definitely come with, as I said, I was never prepared for this session. I was directly, I just walked in and I wanted to share all the experiences, and I don't have a particular format also for anything. And if time permits, and also if I get another opportunity, I'll definitely come with syllabus. I'll bore you more. No, they are saying, they should not come. Thank you. Here's a question. Do we have chocolates for that?
Sir, is it necessary to prepare for interview? Like whatever we expect that doesn't happen in interview.
Yeah, okay. Before I close my session, let me tell you how an interview would be. You gave me a right question. Okay. Now what happens? how to prepare for an interview, physically and mentally. Both are written over there in that. You can refer it, but still I will tell you. All companies will have, almost kind of similar criteria in assessing a person and assessing a candidate. Wherein, first round, you'll have if there is a post open for one requirement, there will be 10 or 20 or more than, I have seen companies wherein if they say that we have a walk-in drive, you can see 500, 600 people standing out. Though they have just 10 position open, 600 people are standing. You'll have to prove yourself what you are out of those. It's so competitive, right? So, how to prepare for it? Mentally and physically both. Don't get prepared for your interview on the day itself. Start preparing from now only, right? And it's not required to go through, all the current affairs or anything about market, financial market. Because who knows what question they're going to ask? Because it depends on the interviewer again. If the interviewer has so much of time and if he is, if he's a quiz master, he may ask you questions, so many questions like who is PM of India, who is PM of other country, anything. What the hell you gonna do with this information when you start working, right? And I'll bet you might have learned so many equations, so many formulas, so many things in your in your education, but have you ever thought it's gonna be implemented when you are working? I tell you, whatever the sums I have learned till now in my all classes, I never use those. And I get a question in myself, why did I learn all those things? Because I never use those instead, in my daily work, right? But this thing, the communication, whatever the soft skills you have learned, definitely gonna work. But yes, you cannot, the study things saying that this is not be of use if I learning this, it's not going to be of any use when working. But to get yourself to that position, this thing is required. So try to get marks as much as possible, and along with that, prepare yourself in these kind of things, soft skills and whatever it is. As I said, it's not going to happen overnight. It happens over days. Definitely, you guys will remember my words, and if you have my number, if you have my email ID, you're gonna, if you really want to say some thanks, or if you want to remember me, definitely you're gonna drop me a mail saying yes, the words, whatever you had shared that they are with us are true. Does it make sense? Are you hungry? If it's post a question, they get a chocolate. Excuse me, sir.
There's a question like you'll be working with your co-worker.
Yes.
And you will be trying to explain something.
Yes.
And he'll not be getting that, whatever it is, the matter.
Yes.
He'll be like, you'll get irritated of it.
Yes.
And at that situation, what will you do?
Okay. Give me a chocolate. Is it the last? One more is there.
One more question. DJ.
Okay, let me finish that and come back to you, okay? Okay, what happens is, all of us, are everybody from, English medium? From beginning, right? And you're so confident in your English? And all of you speak English at home also? Everyone? We have mother tongues, right? Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. So what happens is, before I speak, first my thought process will be in Kannada. I'll make myself my mind to speak in Kannada. I know, my thought begins in Kannada. Okay, I'm gonna speak this next. So when you start thinking in Kannada and again you will start speaking in English, you will have to translate. It takes time for your brain from Kannada to or from any mother tongue to English. It takes time. English has become so essential in our life. You cannot ignore it. If you consider your mother tongue as your mother, you can consider English as your wife. We can love both, right? My mom and also my wife. I can love both. I'm not married by the way. What happens is, as he asked me, he posted me a question. Can anyone recall what was the question? Anyone? Okay, he said, what I can do if I'm explaining something, if someone is not listening and if they're saying, if they're just nodding head and if they say at the end, I'm not getting you, can you please explain or something kind of that, and they're making me irritated. Yes, I was irritated at some point of time. See, still again someone is busy with something. I got irritated. No. I cannot say, show my frustration. Say, I cannot yell at her, right? I cannot say her, you made me irritated. You'll have to react in such situations, like, you have to ask them. When your boss has asked you to prepare a presentation or your lecturer has asked you to make a presentation on certain things and you are all said, overnight you work for that and you made nice beautiful PPT and you came here explaining and no one is listening to you and you think, see, I prepared myself whole night and no one is listening at me like him and I say, I will get irritated. I'll get irritated, right? Does that make sense me to get irritated at that point? I'm supposed to be right. Because that was my effort. When someone does not respect your effort, is it gonna benefit them or you? Let them be as them are, or whatever they are, okay? If they are not interested to listen, if they are not, out of all of you, may not have same mentality of listening to me now, many of may be cursing me, I'm not going to care for that. I'll speak to those who are interested to me. It makes sense, right? Same thing you'll have to prepare for. And moreover, when you are speaking, you are authorized. When I'm speaking here, when you guys have permitted me to come and speak here, I'm authorized. I'm authorized to say anything. See, I commanded, she came here. I commanded, she went down. Because I have an authority, you make use of it. Right? That's what I did. When I said I work for MNC, people from Chicago, they calls me and they do as I said. That time I remember my past. I was the same guy who was getting scared to speak in front of people, who was not even knowing English, who was walking through back door. But today, I'm I'm helping people who are from Chicago. You can definitely make that. After 3 years or 2 years, you remember me and you seriously thank me. That's what I want to say. I don't want to prolong it again. Before you guys throw something on me, let me finish it off. And I think I have last chocolate.
Sir, many a times in many companies today, the top level management are women. Yes, we have heard many a times that giving a firm handshake is the first thing you do with an interview.
Yes.
But how should we, communicate with a woman?
Okay. That's an awesome question. Can say you. As you said, as I said, now you might be thinking, boys are sitting in one corner, girls are sitting in one corner. This diversification or, this biasness or any kind of partiality won't be there in any organization. If a girl, you cannot judge a girl, if I say a girl, she cannot do, you may think, it's not the thing. Our superior, our higher authority, top level management are girls. And also, we'll have same body language, same, attachments, or whatever the thing you should possess in yourself, and, be it a boy, be it a girl, or whoever it is. And also, when you guys were saying, Shiv Prakash sir, I was feeling something awkward, because even if the person in our company, even if he is a 50 or 60 years old, no one is going to call him as a sir. We just call him by his name. Why to add sir? We never call him. Even a top manager, he is the age of 60 also, I call him by name only. Everyone does it. We are not going to give any, any sir, sir or anything suffixes. Okay? It's why I am saying this is there is no biasness. You can have the same body language, same firm handshake. There is a lady who is going to take interview of you, and you may feel yourself, what if I look at her eyes and if I make a firm handshake, you may think yourself that she's gonna have a bad impression on me. No, never have that. They will treat you as same as others. Everyone will be same for them, and you possessing the same body language, whatever you have with other would do. Okay, and it's not just I'm saying something here. You'll have to learn from here only. But do Google instead of just hanging over in a Facebook. Just try searching what all the soft skills any organization requires. And lastly, I want to mention what kind of interviews companies do. First, they may have a group discussion because, as I said, there will be many people who have come for interview. The group discussion will be, it will be just for 5 minutes, and they're gonna make you. They will judge you in just 1 minute or in just 30 seconds. So out of 30 people, they may select 5, and rest 25 they're gonna send them out, and those 25 will have to come to the same interview after 3 months. So what we'll have to do is it's such a big competition. First round will be GD, probably in all the companies as per my knowledge, because that is the screening round, right? So they want very less candidates to go forward for any other rounds. Second round would be, most of the time it will be aptitude. So you guys will have to prepare yourself for the aptitude itself. And again, aptitude contains not just one segment or one topic or one category, but it includes your general knowledge, your quantitative ability, your current affairs, whatever the things going around, and again calculations or any logical reasoning. So prepare yourself for all those, because that was my fortunate. I don't know. Out of 30, 5 was got selected. I was one among those 5, and they gave me interview. Next round as an aptitude test. First round I did, but second round I don't know aptitude anything. I don't know what is current affair. I don't know how to resolve a simple sum or anything. Again, you lag behind out there, right? You put up your effort for the first round, and but second round we got rejected. Okay, third round what comes in is your HR round in any person. And when we think the word interview, we just think 2 persons sitting in front of one opposite to other, and the other person is going through your resume and reviewing you or asking you any questions. That is not the interview. That comes at the end. So as I said, the group discussion will be first, or your spontaneous speak or extempore would be the first round, and second round again, as I said, it would be of aptitude. Third round would be HR interview, wherein you will meet the person who is from HR department, and they may post you same questions, or they may try to analyze yourself, or they may check your communication skills, like in body language. Many things they are going to observe, and your attitude, your gesture, your posture, your eye contact, all those things will be. HR people are so clever; they are going to filter out there itself. Okay, I'm very good. And then with that round also, next round would be your technical round. Technical round is not very technical, but you're gonna just meet your manager. Your manager means if in a company there are 20 processors or 20 teams, a single team may require a person. So manager of that team is gonna take an interview for you guys, because you guys have gone through all this round. So that is your final round. So you're going to attend an interview with that person, the manager. So the manager, he knows himself what a candidate should possess in himself to perform certain tasks. So that is very crucial time wherein you'll have to prove yourself and get the job. Once you get the job, it's done. You can roll. After 3 years, you'll be here. That's what happened with me. Do you guys want that, right? You guys want that, right? Yes. As I said, I bought car, I bought camera, I bought that, this and all. Even you have your own wishes. You want to fulfill those. For that, you'll have to do this. You cannot take money from your mom or dad and buy a car, and you can say, see, this is my car. You cannot say. You cannot have same, satisfaction when you buy with your others' money and when you buy with your own. Everyone have the wishes. Everyone will have their own dreams, right? Okay. Again and again, I'm saying I'm gonna finish, but I'm not finishing it. Let me finish it now. Someone had a question. Sorry.
Mike.
Suppose I own a company,
Yeah.
I'm taking an interview. What are the skills I am supposed to have to become a good interviewer?
Okay. Before that, you'll have to put yourself in the shoes of a candidate. You understood that?
Yeah.
What you'll have to do is you'll have to, be a candidate who is aspiring for a job. Then you can start asking questions, or you can analyze a person out of it. Which class you are studying in?
In first year become.
First year BCom. Okay. You guys have a subject called human resource management.
Second,
Uh,
sir.
Remove it. Okay. If possible, go through same question on Google. You'll get so many study materials. Because if I say a single answer no, that would not suffice. Because if you do your post graduation, there are many segregation: finance, marketing, and HR. Okay. In HR, what happens is there are many criteria wherein you can analyze the people by person. Okay. It's not just looking at their body language, their communication skill. You're not going to judge them. There are many criteria, wherein this interviewer or any HR person has to follow when analyzing a person. Okay, if I give a single answer saying you have to do like this, that is not the right answer. So I don't want to, give a false answer to you at this point of time. Better you could refer a book which gives a complete description of what all the things you have to consider when you interview a person. Because listening to a question, I may say that you have a concept of being an entrepreneur or starting your own business. So prepare yourself. First, prepare yourself to start up the business. At the span of time when you start preparing for that, automatically that quality will be possessed by yourself. So I wish you all the best for that. I hope I was not boring, and at least out of your 1.5 hours, 2 minutes of information, whatever I give, is there inside your mind. And if your opinion about me, it definitely matters. So if you just want more and more information, like this kind of information, please get back to me, and also please contact your
इसका वीडियो
वीडियो
ऐसा पकड़ उसको ले
he is not give complete information.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
In stress interview is there, no, sir?
Yes.
At that time, they will be crossing their limits. Judges will be asking so many questions.
Yes.
At that time, how we have to do?
Okay. She asked me a wonderful question before I finished. As I said, there is a water. I want to learn swimming. I'm standing in a river bank and I'm thinking to learn swim. And you cannot prepare yourself. Okay, you may say I'm completely prepared for my interview. I'll go and give an interview to my any of the company. Don't do that. Maybe before appearing to any interview, just do some mock interviews. In your class itself, just pretend as if. Okay, one suggestion to you, the other girls. What you can do is take few girls of your friends and groups, pretend as if you are an interviewer and they are facing an interview. Make it fun. Make anything, and try you taking interview for them, and they trying answering to you. Have these kind of things, and again just do participate in all the events, not just in your college but also in other colleges. Not for the sake of winning the prizes, but for the sake of losing it. Lose everything over here, but because you're gonna earn, you're gonna win in future days. When you fall down, then only you can get up, right? After falling down, today I have got up. That is the thing. I hope I have answered you. Okay. The answer was you have to walk. You have to put yourself into certain situations so you can learn.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hope you guys got some inputs.
Yes.
Just if I remember myself as my friend Shiva before 3 years back, when I wonder, that is true. Because after completion of our BCom, where we were either so much of faith, whether to go for MCom or whether to go for MBA, with a struggle, we gap of 1 year for PG. We all together where we joined for the time institute for the tuition of MBA, where we were going together and where they went for MBA and I came for MCom. Also in our college we have the best teachers. There's no doubt in that. Yes or no?
Yes.
But I want to take one personal question because I want to tell something to you. How many of you agree that I teach good? Raise your hand. How many of you agree that I teach good? Raise your hand. Good number. Thank you. Yes, you have confidence on me, but I didn't have confidence on myself. One day, when I was studying my BCom, just I will tell sir has finished with so many things in the soft skill. That's what I want to just put some few sentences for that. Where our teacher Manjappa sir, after completion of the class, he was calling, go and rub the board. I was asking, sir, why? You can become the teacher. I was saying, sir, I don't have that confidence to stand for 1 hour and to teach the students. So sometimes, usually what happens, our strengths can be identified by others, but we fail to identify our strength. Nam strength nave fail artha madkolke we fail, but other will identify our strength and they boost us. And both of us cleared the State Bank of India exam, when after completion of BCom and both attended for the interview. After understanding our strength, it made in such a manner that where we ignored that one and where we have chosen our life. So and even I have started the class of soft skills for the first time, third time BCom section A, where we had a couple of activities I think, and I am enjoying. I don't know whether the students are enjoying it or not, but I am enjoying that classes really. So it's a wonderful session. Therefore, it might be the input for all the students and. So just why we are arranging this kind of activity means not for our sake but only for the sake of the students. So please keep on learning and please inculcate so many skills within you where you can become the best product tomorrow, where you can shine in the market. It might be the job market, it might be your business, anything, and we are very eager to see you in the best place. That's the only wish as a teachers we are having. And on behalf of all the teachers, principal and KD staff, I thank Mr. Shivprakash Doctor. Thank you. And at last, but not for this, Jagrati asked one question. Sometimes during the time of stress interview where the judges cross their limits, she asked one question and I said that to the first time BCom and I said that to the third time BCom. Third time BCom A section, but not to that section where it was a real situation happened where it might help. Where a girl after completion of her degree, she was sitting in front of the HR. She is unmarried and the HR asked her the question, one fine morning when you wake up and you come to know that you are pregnant, what you do? Usually the reaction is a stress. Really it's a stress. And again I asked sir about one question regarding attitude. How you perceive the things is very important. Is it positively or is it negatively? Usually what might be the reaction? Slap that HR and come back. Slap that HR and come back. But the same tough assignment, after, why I ask that kind of question, after giving a job, if any challenging assignment comes, because I don't have much corporate experience, I think Shivprakash agree with me. When they give that tough assignment, it's not that just rejecting, but we should analyze how actively I can consider that and how actively I can solve that. The girl gave the beautiful answer, sir, on that day I take leave for my office and enjoy the day with my husband because probably the best day for all the married women. So what the HR asked her in that perspective only, when after her marriage, but she asked her the question before marriage. But the girl took the question very rightly and said. And the second question was that to the guy, he said, tomorrow morning if I escape with your daughter or a sister, what you do? And again it's a stress question. And please understand the reason behind that. The question might be direct, but the reason, he said, sir, being an HR in the big company, I don't find the best match to my sister than you. Best answer given by the candidate. these soft skills are required. Think in the positive attitude. The positive attitude is very important for the purpose of getting success. Okay, thank you very much. And I want the student 1, 2, 3 to come to the staff room.
Thank you guys. Thank you for being a wonderful audience and listening to all my words.